Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how I created this look with the Latte palette from Dominique Cosmetics. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and now let's start with the tutorial. I'm starting with the color Espresso on a Sigma E58 brush and I'm applying this color all over my lid. Now I want to blend this out just a tiny bit, so I'm taking the color Hazelnut on a Sigma E25 brush and I'm just softly blending over the edges. Now I want to add a bit of color to this look, so I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the color Vivid Sapphire. It's a bright blue color and I'm applying this to my upper lash line. I'm going back in with the color Hazelnut on a Sigma E36, it's a detailed blending brush, and I'm blending this color onto my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the color Macchiato on a Morphe M213 brush and I'm applying it to my inner corner. To add a bit more sparkle to my lower lash line, I'm taking the color Espresso on a small lip brush and I'm applying it to the inner part of my lower lash line. Then I'm going back in with the small blending brush from Sigma and I'm blending the color out. Now I'm going to apply some mascara to my upper and my lower lashes and I'll be right back. Here you can see the finished look. I really hope that you like it and that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would really mean a lot to me. Thank you all so much for watching and have an amazing day.